Hi, let me show you a few ways how you can delete apps on your iPhone 16e. The first one is right on your home screen. So just find the app you want to delete, press and hold its icon so you'll see this list of options. Click this first to remove app. And now if you want to delete it permanently with all of its data, then select this red button to delete app. Another way how you can delete it is by going in settings. So let's open settings, tap general, and here tap iPhone storage. Now if you scroll a bit down, you'll see apps which take most of the storage space. So for example, I got this GarageBand and I can immediately select it and here choose to delete and then confirm by pressing this red button again. Also, some of the apps you can just upload. This will free up storage, but your data will remain still and you'll be able to recover it. Now, if you don't see the delete app option, you may be trying to delete a built-in app like Safari or Gallery, or your phone is managed by someone, school or business for example, by someone who can disable this feature. And if you have screen time enabled, it may block you from deleting apps. So to fix this, in settings, you need to find screen time. So let's just scroll a bit down, find screen time. And here you need to click on the option content and privacy restriction. And in my case, everything is disabled. But in your case, if you can see that something is turned on, then you need to disable content and privacy restrictions. So the switcher will be in this left position, or select iTunes and App Store purchases and change deleting apps to allow. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.